In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to pin Microsoft Word to the taskbar in Windows 11. Pinning Microsoft Word to your taskbar is a simple way to access the program quickly without having to search for it in the Start menu or on your desktop. This is especially useful if you use Word frequently for writing documents, creating reports, or managing spreadsheets. Windows 11 makes it easy to pin applications to the taskbar so you can launch them with a single click. To begin, make sure Microsoft Word is installed on your computer. If it's not, download and install it from the official Microsoft website or via Microsoft 365. Once installed, locate Microsoft Word. You can do this by clicking the Start button and typing Word into the search bar. Word should appear in the search results. Next, right-click on the Microsoft Word app in the search results. A context menu will appear with several options, such as Open, Run as Administrator, and Pin to Start. Look for the option labeled Pin to Taskbar. Click on this option and Word will immediately appear on your taskbar at the bottom of the screen. If Word is already open, there's another way to pin it. While Word is running, you will see its icon on the taskbar. Right-click the icon and select Pin to Taskbar from the context menu. This will keep the Word icon on the taskbar even after you close the program, allowing for easy access in the future. Once pinned, you can move the icon to your preferred location on the taskbar. Simply click and drag it to rearrange the order of pinned apps according to your workflow and preferences. Pinning Microsoft Word to the taskbar saves time and makes launching the application much more convenient. You no longer have to navigate through menus or search for shortcuts. One click is all it takes to start working on your documents. By following these simple steps, you can keep Microsoft Word easily accessible at all times in Windows 11. If you found this video helpful, let me know in the comments. Give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to hit the notification bell.